Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday. It's 9:30. I'm about to clean up my kitchen, put some dishes away. I have to clean our fans today. Bunch of dust up there, so hopefully I can stand on one of our chairs and I won't bust my butt. But I need to clean the fans because the dust bunnies are flying everywhere when I turn the fans back on. I don't have a ladder, so hopefully, like I said, I can reach. So yeah, I'm about to put all these dishes away. Brooklyn's right here trying to suck up all the water from the dishwasher. Like, he's got a bowl of water right next to the dishwasher, but yet he wants to suck up the water that's in the dishwasher door. Crazy dogs.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple of hours later, or several hours later. Hubby is still out helping his dad move stuff. I told the girls to clean the room and they just shoved everything in a corner, so I'm gonna have to do that today. I did clean off one of our fans though. I use the pillowcase method where you just put the pillowcase over the fan blade and then you just drag it and all the dust bunnies and everything fall into the pillowcase. So that's what I did for the living room. That was like my #1 concern. I'm about to jump on our bed and do our ceiling fan because that one looks disgusting as well. So if you're not cleaning or dusting your fans, you should, especially if you're prone to allergies. Everybody in San Antonio though seems like we all have allergies, so that really stinks. So I'm about to clean our fan and then I'll do the kids' room. Actually, I'm gonna do the kids' room first because that's more important. So I'm gonna do that.
Most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing,
Now for ours.
singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack.
Woo. Okay, so all of this, look at all that nastiness, you guys, from the fans. So gross, but yet satisfying. I'm gonna dust off the TV now because there's a lot of little dog hair and stuff on it. So like I said, it's been hours later. Hubby is still gone. I have no idea. We're supposed to go look at houses today. If I haven't mentioned it, we finally we only signed a 6-month lease here because we knew we were going to start searching and buying our new home. So I'm super excited about that. That was the new adventures that I'm talking about, is buying our first home. We are so excited. Now it's just crunch time because we are supposed to be out of here by March. So I will keep you guys in the loop. But I'm just so excited to start looking. We are already working with a realtor and hubby's VA and everything like that. So I'm super excited, you guys. Like, I know I don't sound excited, but I'm really excited. I just don't want to be overly excited and then something happens. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't mentioned it just because I've been keeping it like to myself, but I'm thrilled. I'm so thrilled. You guys know we're in a 2-bedroom apartment. When the twins come over, they need their own space. We have a lot of things in mind. I wrote down everything that I want in a house, everything that I'm looking for in a house, like the wall color, the cabinet color, the tile, the flooring, the black backsplash. Like, I'm gonna be very picky. I just can't stress that enough. I'm super excited, you guys. So as soon as hubby gets home, hopefully we can go look at some neighborhoods. We've been looking at neighborhoods for a long time. You have no idea. Since before we started, go put it back. Since before we started traveling, we always had set our, we had a set location of where we wanted to live, but that's definitely out of our price range. I do not want to be house poor. I do not want to live like, you know, I don't want to be house poor. I told him, I'm like, you know, even though we're set at this amount, I don't want to get a house at that amount because I don't want to struggle. We've struggled a lot since, you know, when we, like 5 years ago, guys, if you would have seen the struggles that we've been through, like it was hard. It was very hard. And then we got married. Then we got pregnant with Zoe. And then we got pregnant with Zia, and we struggled a lot. I'm not even going to sugarcoat our life because it's been a struggle. Like, we lived in my sister's house that needed a lot of work. It was like the plumbing was bad. Like, there was just a lot of things wrong with that house. It was an old house. I mean, where we are today has taken us a while to get to where we are. And for us to finally say that we are going to buy a home means a lot to me.
And you.
And you. And I'm gonna get emotional, but we've come a long way and I'm excited. Sorry, I had to take a break because I didn't want to get emotional on camera, but we've come a long way. Hubby has worked his butt off to get us to where we are right now. Yes, we're in a 2-bedroom apartment, but I'm proud of him. And struggling, definitely we struggled. And he tries to give his best to not only me, but the kids, the twins. I mean, he gives them as much as he can when he can, and always makes sure that everybody is taken care of before himself. Yes, you do see, oh, he buys shoes, he buys this, he buys that. Yes, but that's after he makes sure that all of the kids are good, I'm good. He always puts everybody before himself, and it's just been an amazing journey. And I can't wait to take you guys with us to the next step, which is buying our first home. I mean, it's like so, like, I can't even believe it. Like, I can't even believe that we're where we're at today. It might not be much to other people. Just know that when you work hard, it pays off. And my husband has definitely worked hard. And at first, yeah, it wasn't like that at all. But it's taken us a while to get where we're at. And this December 30th will be our 6-year wedding anniversary. So I'm super excited about that as well. We are supposed, like I said, we were supposed to move out of this apartment in March, which March 7th is my birthday. So I'm hoping that whatever house we pick is going to be my birthday present. Not only for me, but for all of the kids and my husband. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you later and stop getting all sappy on you. Hey guys, so it's 4:10. We just looked at a few houses. We like them, but I don't know. There was something about each one that we liked and didn't like, and we don't want a 2-story house whatsoever. So we are on our way to go look at more lots. And I'll take you guys along with me this time.